Everything you see, everything you hear and feel might seem complete, like you are experiencing the world exactly as it is. But what if that's not the full picture? What if I told you right now, in this very moment, most of reality around you is completely invisible and silent? Hello everyone, Mayambo Kurumjari. Welcome to Ipao Curiosity. We look around and assume what we see is the full picture of reality. But the truth is, our eyes and ears are extremely limited tools, designed not to show us everything, but only what we need to survive. Take your eyes for example. They feel powerful. They show you a world, but not the whole world. The human eye can only detect a very small portion of light known as the visible spectrum. This includes the colors you are familiar with, from violet to blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. But this visible range is just a narrow band with a much larger range called the electromagnetic spectrum. Beyond this range, there are many forms of light that exist all around us, completely invisible to us. Just beyond the red end of the spectrum lies infrared light. This is essentially heat radiation. Every object, including your own body, is constantly emitting infrared radiation. You can't see it, but special thermal cameras can, revealing a completely different version of the same world. On the other hand, beyond violet lies ultraviolet light, again completely invisible to human eyes, but many insects like bees can actually see ultraviolet patterns on flowers. A simple flower to you may appear as a glowing target to them. Even some animals experience reality differently. Dogs see fewer colors than humans, but they are much better at detecting movements and seeing in low light. Cats too have excellent night vision, allowing them to see details even in very low light. So the same environment, the same moment, but completely different visual realities depending on who is observing it. And this is still just a small part of the story. Beyond infrared and ultraviolet, there are other forms of light like radio waves, microwaves, X-rays, and gamma rays, all around you all the time. Your phone and Wi-Fi are constantly communicating using radio waves all around you. Medical imaging like X-rays lets us see inside the body. All of this exists around you, yet you are completely unaware of it. And just like vision, our hearing capability is also very limited. The human ear can detect sound frequencies roughly between 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Anything below or above this range is completely silent to us. But dogs can hear much higher frequencies than humans. That's why a dog whistle works. It produces a sound that is completely inaudible to us, but very clear to a dog. Similarly, bats use extremely high frequency sounds, known as ultrasound, to navigate and hunt. On the other hand, elephants communicate using very low frequency sounds called infrasound that can travel long distances, even through the ground, but humans cannot hear them at all. So once again, different species are experiencing completely different layers of reality, even while standing in the same place. Now think about this. At this very moment, there are lights your eyes cannot detect. There are sounds your ears cannot pick up. There are signals passing through your body that you cannot sense. And yet, all of it is real. This limitation extends even further when we look beyond Earth. Scientists believe that the matter we can see, stars, planets, galaxies, and everything around us, makes up only about 5% of the universe. The remaining 95% is composed of something we still don't fully understand, often referred to as dark matter and dark energy. We cannot see them directly, but scientists know they exist because of their effects, like how galaxies move and how the universe is expanding. So even at the larger scale, most of reality is still hidden from us. What you call the real world is only a narrow window into something much larger. Beyond that window, there are layers of light, sound, and signals constantly passing through, unnoticed, unheard, unseen. And yet they are just as real as everything you can touch and feel. If that idea stayed with you even for a moment, stay curious. Thank you for watching Ipao Curiosity.